I wanna be a billionaire so freaking bad. Buy all of the things I never had. I wanna be on the cover of Forbes magazine, smiling next to Oprah and the Queen. Oh, every time I close my eyes, I see my name in shining lights. Yeah, a different city every night. Oh, I swear the world better prepare when I'm a billionaire.
Yeah, I will have a show like Oprah. I will be the host of Everyday Christmas. Give Audie a wish list. I'll probably pull an Angelina and Brad Pitt and adopt a bunch of babies that ain't ever had it. Give away a few Mercedes like here, lady, have this. And last but not least, grant somebody their last wish. It's been a couple months that I've been single, so you can call me Audie Claus minus the ho-ho. Get it? I'll probably visit with Katrina here, and Don Shore do a lot more than FEMA did. Yeah, can't forget about me, stupid. Everywhere I go, I'ma have my own theme music.
Oh, every time I close my eyes,
I want you